Hey guys, this is Barry with Fire and Ice Outdoors, and we're doing another deep dive and installing video on the new NatureNest Polaris 2, and this is their ultralight version. I've got some help today with Fee. Come on in the camera real quick. This is very difficult to do with one person, so Fee's gonna help me today. Fee's from Dutchwear.com. Anytime you see like me wearing the hammock and stuff like that, if you watch my adventure videos, they're the ones that actually make the product, so I appreciate him helping. But we're gonna unbox this, and I'm gonna teach you how to put it together. We're also gonna put a little solar panel on the top of it. I want to teach you how to do that as well. So let's get into it. So we just took the tent down, and there's hardware inside here. So we're going to take this little plastic stuff off. Inside there is your ladder and your hardware. So we're going to pull that out, and then we'll get started. See it right there? This way, because it's got the shocks on the edges here. So you want to protect that. Okay. Dude, this is literally the thinnest rooftop tent I've ever seen. It's literally it's probably 3 inches thick. Most of them are thick, really thick, which is really cool. So what we're gonna do is open this up. All you're doing is just take these, open it up. I'll do the other side. Wonder if there's one on top. Yeah, there's 4, one on each side, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we'll open it up and we'll look inside. So you take this and put it down here, just underneath there. This actually keeps everything pushed together when you're closing it back up. And then this here is when you're wanting to put it down. When it's over your head, you grab this and pull it down. Open this up, let's see what's inside. So you can enter from either side, the sides or the front. This is a fast way of doing it. Just take your 2 corners, find the center, and just roll it up just like this. So we got the ladder. So you got your hardware. I think this is the straps for if you want to put this around your arm. You do have, these are for putting your shoes. These actually clamp on the outside right here. So you can put your shoes, and it actually has a mesh on the bottom, so if your shoes are dirty, it doesn't make the dirt stick into the bag or whatever. Because it's got LED lights, you can actually change the color of the light, make the lights brighter, blah blah blah. It's all ran off of 12 volts. So let's get this working. Dude, it's an air pump. That's freaking awesome. So there's an air mattress in there, which is freaking genius, NatureNest. Every time I get in a rooftop tent, I always put an air mattress in it. This is freaking genius. This is your hardware. They give you a ratcheting wrench. That's awesome. So these, actually, that track down at the bottom, that's actually going to slide down through those. We're going to mount it onto here. So that'll go on the bottom. So this is actually going to be fairly easy. I think we need to get this on the truck real quick. You see how it kind of squeezes it together like that? Yeah. And then, yes, you're going to have to do that. Just tuck it in. Yeah.
Yep, you're good.
And it don't have to be perfect right now. I like this. This is nice.
So we kind of lift it right up in there?
Yeah. But just hold on to your spot just for a second.
Yep. Still good?
Yep. You would go like an angle?
Yep. Give me 1 second. Can you rest it right there?
Yep.
That's probably the hardest part.
Yeah. But you're gonna put
to the side.
Yeah, the side. We'll put these in between, lock it down. We got these little caps here that fit in the end, and you're done. She's locked in. All right, we're gonna take a tape measure. We're just gonna measure, make sure we're pretty, so that's 7 inches, 6 inches, that's 7 inches. You can do one side and it should be fine. Are you good? You want it more?
Probably more center.
More center?
Yes, sir.
Oh, we're 7 inches.
Oh, very good.
So we're 7 inches on both sides. Have a tape measure with you. So what we're gonna do now, put these on here, lock it down. I'll show you what he's doing. Pretty easy, Humpy.
Really easy.
That's it. That's really all you need to do. This isn't hard. So I didn't show you this. You get 8 of these. So you'll slide that in just like that. Just like this. And you will slide like that. That's what keeps the bolt from coming through. So you'll have 2 of those. So you'll have that, plus you'll have this as well on the other side. So just wanted you to see that. Good job, feet, catching that. Boom. Money. All right, now we just moved it a little bit, so we're going to retape it. Just make sure that everything is back to normal. Found it 7 inches. It's 7.
Ready?
Yep. That's 8. All right, that's 7. This is 5, so I need to come back to you a little bit.
Yep.
Oops. So 7, 7. All right. We're good. We're gonna lock it down. And that ratcheting wrench comes with the tool, so they give you everything you need. Sorry about the sun. It is like right in my grill. Okay, I wanted to show you, hop up there real quick. Go in and pull those bags out. So those bags, they actually fit in this little thing here. So if you look right here, that slides on that right there. Perfect. So and you can, what you do is when you come in, you put your shoes in there, or you can put anything. It's just a
little storage.
Yeah, a little storage area, but the bottom should have some mesh on it. Yeah, see the mesh there? So like sand or anything out of your shoes will
drop.
Yeah, and they're waterproof. Plus on the top it's an awning. So go ahead and pull out. Inside there is some poles.
Yep.
I think there's probably 4 of them in there. And this is tall, a lot taller than I've ever seen them before. So the L shape here goes inside here. I would do the bottom first and then pull it to it. Okay. But you can try either way. Which way is more comfortable to you? But that's just how I do it. It's just harder to try to get in that little hole, in my opinion. That's all. But yeah, that's it. Perfect. Boom. And then you should have 2 more, right?
Yes, sir.
And those will go over here. We'll go ahead and put it all together just to... Boom. Boom. Now you've got a complete awning. Man, that is cool. And it's tall. This that you can click on the front, you can do it on the side, but the way we have these, they're not going to be able to come off this side here. It's going to more than likely, because you see the poles in the way here.
We can move it.
Because I personally like coming in from the side, not the back, because usually you're cooking, you've got stuff here, you know what I mean? So we're gonna move. What's cool is that they give you the tools to change and customize this, because right now these brackets are in the way, so we won't be able to put a ladder here. So Fee's actually gonna move this bracket. And it's probably just loose enough to just slide it, huh? Yeah, we won't be able to put a ladder here. Do you want to move both sides or just?
Yeah, I'll probably hop over there and do that.
Just because situations
Yeah.
where it might be a tree on this side.
Tree, car, berry.
My homie. All right, we're gonna move these and we'll be right back. All right, perfect. What you think so far?
It's really.
So what Fee's gonna do is take this wire and go in and get these plugged in. It's got a screw end, but yeah, he's gonna screw these in, and then the LED lights actually plug right into a USB. But I do want to show you something kind of cool, Fee. Do you see that clear mat behind you?
Yeah.
That's for your iPad, so you can watch movies.
Oh, nice.
So when you're, you can put your head this way and watch a movie, which is kind of cool. It also has on each corner of there storage, which is pretty awesome.
You know what's really nice too? I just noticed. So if you want ventilation, you know how hot summer days.
Oh yeah.
It has like a moonlight right up here.
Yeah.
You can still get vent without being fully exposed.
Nice. It's an insulated pad on the back as well. What I would do, Fee, is go in and close everything up just to make sure it's waterproof. So close up the
inside too?
The inside too, because when you do that, it is completely waterproof. So if any water does come in, it does have a gasket that it comes down on, but that just ensures no water ever gets inside. One thing we had to do, because we moved these, we actually had to move this because this actually clamped onto that. So if you had to move these, make sure you move this to one of these. That was the only thing. But dude, look how thin this freaking thing is. It's insane. And I love that they put the air mattress in it. It does have on your driver's side the your port for your diesel heater. What do you think about it?
I think it's gonna be awesome.
It's cool, huh?
Yeah.
When you do put something like this on the back of your vehicle, if you're a venture person at all, your mind starts thinking like, what all can I do to it? He was thinking about putting like canvas down the side of this and putting another bed so to have he's got a couple of kids so people can sleep here, can sleep down here, so he can take his children out. Super cool. If you'd like one of these, a NatureNest, I'll put it down in the description below. Check out Fee. What is get a shout out?
DutchWearGear.com.
Dutchwear Gear. Do you have any social media?
Yeah, Dutchwear.
Dutchwear on YouTube, Instagram,
Facebook, Instagram, yep.
Nice. Check him out anytime we go camping, and like if you see me in a hammock, it's all their stuff. But I appreciate your help.
Yes, sir.
And we appreciate y'all watching. See you guys.